So this is how it looks, as you can see here. It has to stay plugged in. I don't know if you can see it, but the light is on here. You touch it. This is the sound of it. At the level. This is the highest speed. When you touch it, it starts off at the higher speed, which is a bit noisy. And this is speed 2. It is not acetone free. And as I said, when you have clients and you have this and this touches it, you could see how easy it is to turn it off when you're using it and it hits, because it's a bit sensitive. But other than the noise, it is really good, and how hard it is to clean. As you can see with this, my client had pink nails on, biab, and I hoovered it to the best of my ability. But this is what it looks like within. Yeah.
Everybody made a big fuss about this product, so I thought I'd buy it and try it out. It's okay. It's not amazing. It's not as strong as I thought it was going to be. So you turn it on. I only ever use it on that setting. So it's quite compact, but it's not as good as I thought it would be, basically, because I've had a baby and I needed the best that I could get on my budget, so I guess it does the job.